This is how you work smarter, not harder when it comes to new content ideas. Someone might ask a question inside of a Facebook group or inside of a LinkedIn group. The very first thing that a lot of people will do is they'll respond to that question and then they'll say something sleazy like, is it okay if I DM you? Which the person is just like, no, I just asked the question. I want the answer here. Like, why do we have to go to a private room? So think about it like that. Imagine if you were in a room with everyone and someone asked a question and you're like, okay, I'm going to answer you, but it's okay if we go in this closet so I can answer you. It's like, no, not really. So here's how you do it and actually do it the right way. In my opinion, you answer the question directly on there, but don't give them a full book. Give them general answer, quick sentence, maybe 2 or 3 sentences. Then from there, create your own piece of content, a video or reel or whatever it is, like a short form piece of content where you're fully answering the question and you're diving in deep. Not a whole live stream, not a 1 hour live stream, but just a real concise 1 minute, 2 minute at most piece of content where you're answering the question fully. Then you can go back under the response that you put in there and tag them again and say, hey, I hope that this answered your question. But if not, I also went a little bit deeper and I created like a short 1 minute video. If you want to check it out, I've posted it here. And that's where you link to your own personal profile. So now not only do you have a great piece of content that everyone else is going to benefit from, you've got an answer to their question where they see you as helpful. You did not have to DM them and like pull them into this private closet. And when anybody else reads that question, if they also have the same question, they're going to come over to your page, to your world, where now you can say, this is what I do and this is how I share and this is how I help people. And obviously you want your profiles to be optimized. So this is if you're posting it in a LinkedIn group, this is your LinkedIn profile needs to be optimized. If you're posting it in a Facebook group, your Facebook profile needs to be optimized. But this is how you help people without being sleazy and without them feeling like you don't have anything better to do than just like pull them into a private closet. These tips that I shared are a snippet from a longer form training that I did all about 12 free ways to market your business. If you'd like to check that out, make sure you become a channel member, click join, and all of the details are there. Join us in the Profit Creator community. You can go to latisha.tv/group. And if you would like more from me, make sure you go to latisha.tv/free. You'll be able to sign up for my free list. Until next time, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.